Hey, welcome back. Let's see how conversational AI is working in the systems. Let me show you from here how Droid connector connecting me to the internal as well as external users. Let's say I have an enterprise company with enterprise softwares. So user have some queries to connect with the CRM or ERP system. If I see the legacy normal procedure, the current way of doing the things, users have to reach to HR to get things done, whether it's related to salary or it's related to holiday. But in between the conversational AI, I can directly communicate with the system through APIs, or we can put RP in between and get the systems done. Same for external users. For example, we have a customer who is a fan of WhatsApp or Facebook. So directly from Facebook, he can reach out to the system and ask the questions directly to the system. About he can reach out to the hospital, insurance companies, educational institutes. They will get directly without any interference from the user. This is simple conversational AI. Now let's see if we would like to connect to the generative AI, how it works. The conversational AI can connect from any system, but need to build step by step, and then it will answer to all the correct questions with the help of generative AI. What about adding generative AI with the conversational AI bot and then call Azure or OpenAI, which is completely secure, and we will get the responses from it. So how all this conversational AI plus generative AI working together on the system? Let me show you on the practical system. Here we have our own company, Droid. Let me introduce Droid, Conversational AI, a Romanian-based company from Romania, HQ in US. They have built conversational AI tool with the latest technologies and integrate it with the generative AI. We can build a conversational AI bot to communicate with any system. Let's build a bot in the Droid tool, as I already completed few steps because it will take 30 to 40 minutes to complete the process. I built a step-by-step bot and script to communicate with the Omnex website. So for it, I need a pre-built solution to import a generative AI or Azure OpenAI. Let me write OpenAI here, which is public or private. As I have already added it to my solution, I will skip it from here. Finally, it will display in my added solutions. Now I have to configure the OpenAI with the provided key from OpenAI. Let's configure OpenAI with the API key. Adding the key is quite simple thing. Okay, we are connected with OpenAI or Azure OpenAI. Now my next job is to train this OpenAI. Droid Easy Configurations will help me to train it. Let's open the knowledge base tab and add new source for training the bot. We see different options. Excel file, PDF file as structured data, and website as unstructured data. I can choose the language to train the model. Currently I have selected English, but I can select other languages. Let's train the model with Omnex website, which I already did. It scrapped 128 pages within 30 minutes. Just think, if I have to do it manually, how long it will take me to build flow of it. For conversational AI bot with generative AI. Generative AI took me 30 minutes to scrap all the contents from the website, and it took me 10 minutes to train the bot. I have trained OpenAI for this conversational AI bot. Omnex bot is ready to answer. Let's start the conversation with Omnex bot. Let's ask the bot about Omnex contents, which is, I will ask the question related to Omnex as it is Omnex bot. Let's ask, where are Omnex offices related or located? It's a simple question. Where are Omnex office located? AI bot is checking in the system internally within the OpenAI training model, which we just fed in the system. AI took the data and displaying it here. You can see the answers for Omnex. Offices are located in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, etc. Bot is showing where from it collected this data and providing the link for it. We asked a full question. Now let's write a sentence and see the response, because asking a full question to OpenAI is similar to asking a question to chatbot. Let me write a simple sentence here. Omnex engineering. See, this is not a question, this is a sentence. So it have to search it from the website, which we fed to the OpenAI. So it's checking whether Omnex engineering is anywhere in the website or not. Let's wait, it is still searching because it have to go through the almost 128 page. Oh, it is here. Omnex International is a company and it's everything about the Omnex. Now let's ask some different question. First we ask full question, then the sentence. Now let's ask a simple word. What's automation? Let's see it will give me anything or not. It will take some time. Stay with me. Oh, it got some results. Let's see. Everything is popping up from the Omnex website with the help of generative AI. Now let's write different question beside Omnex. What is Dubai? So there is no information about Dubai in our website. So let's see what it will give it to us. Oh, it is not giving anything because Omnex website does not contain Dubai. That means we have feed it something to the system and the system is responded to us with the help of this conversational AI and generative API, OpenAI. So stay tuned, we'll get more educational videos for you. Thank you very much.